This is an Arduino product that I started working on this project a few weeks ago. I bought this waterproof project box that I put it in. This is a password door lock system with an alarm. It tells you to enter your password. That's it. It has the buzzer to okay it, and it trips a relay in there that would open an electric door lock. Or if you do wrong passwords, it gives you a warning. Kind of a lengthy warning. I wanted it to be lengthy so it would be annoying to people when they get it wrong. Second wrong password. How bad can I be? Let's see. A-D-B. That's the third wrong password. Now the alarm goes off. And I've got it set to go off for a full 15 seconds. And after the 15 seconds runs out, it resets and it's ready for you to enter a password again. Of course, that can be set up in any way that you like, as you could set it to continually go off until you shut it off, or you could set it for a shorter amount of time, or however you wanted to set it. But let's talk about the code a little bit, being as how I'm here. I did a lot of work to write this code, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but all right. So we have a keypad included. We have the liquid crystal library, and included the EEPROM to keep and store passwords. Char password, character password. There's 4 characters in the password. That's the number of digits. Set integer I to 0, and so we've got a relay pin that trips a relay whenever you gain access. A buzzer pin, which I've actually got set to the red LED right now. I just didn't want to rewrite it in my code. Alarm pin, which is A2, that sounds the alarm, and the tone pin, which is the milder tone that isn't so obnoxious. I have both of them going off when the alarm goes off, though. We've got the keypad layout, 4 columns and 4 rows, the way that I have it laid out. We've got the pin assignments for the keypad, and the integer set so that it reads the keys right there. We've got a duration set up. That duration could be for how long you want your alarm to go off. That's not the integer I set, but so the greeting, when it comes on, it says hello friend, then it asks for a password. Then it reads the keys, checks if the password's okay, prints the keys that are pressed, checks to see if it matches the EEPROM. If it does, then digital writes the relay pin low. And it digital writes the tone, approval tone, high, and that also activates the LED, which is on the same circuit. And then it gives you the option to change the password. If you have wrong attempts, then it sounds a warning about wrong attempts. Pretty lengthy. I have it flashed for quite a while, and I didn't set the duration on that. I just wrote the number of times, and then it allows you to have the opportunity to change the password again. Of course, you have to know the original password before you can change it. And then after 3 wrong attempts, that's right here, wrong attempts, that of course the counter starts at 0, so it's 0, it's more than 2. The third attempt, it will set off the alarm, which it goes through the same warning sequence, and then it goes to the alarm, which sounds that tone that you heard earlier. At the end of the alarm, I've got it set up to go for a duration. I've got the 10 millisecond delay, and then wrong attempts are set back to 0. And all the wrong attempts, try again. New password, checking to see if your password's correct. Change password. Enter password. And that's it. That's the code. I don't know if anybody was interested in this or not, but if they was, give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks. Bye.